Hey guys, my name is Alana and welcome back to the AGF Design Studio channel. Today I'm going to be taking you through a draw with me. I've done one other draw with me that I'll link in the description box below, but today we're going to be making a fun animated postcard inspired by summer vacation. So grab your Apple Pencil and your iPad and get ready to follow along. So like I said, the inspiration for this postcard is summer vacation, and you might see them in gift shops or souvenir shops when you go and travel. So I literally typed vacation postcard ideas into Pinterest, and feel free to follow me on Pinterest, and I'll link to that board that I used to create inspiration in the description box below. As much as I would love to be able to say that I'm an amazing photographer, where my skills lack, I can go to unsplash.com, which is a great website where you can get free high-quality images that you're able to use as long as you give credit to the photographer. So this is where I got my image from that we're going to use on today's postcard, which I'll also link in the description box below. So as with anything, I start with my sketches. The basic structure of this phrase is two or so smaller words in the upper left-hand corner, an angled larger phrase, and then sometimes another word or two under the angled phrase in the bottom right-hand corner. You can choose to draw your letters starting on an angle, or you could draw them straight and then use the distort tool in Procreate to angle your words afterwards. Pro tip, make sure you save your outline strokes before you go ahead and fill them in. You'll need this later. So here I'm just filling in my colors and adding a bit of depth. I've got a video on how to make your letters look three-dimensional that I'll link to above and in the description box below. So remember that outline layer that I told you to save? Here you can see that I'm adding color to it. This will give a nice outline to my letters, and then I'm going to duplicate it and shift it downward to the left slightly. This gives the illusion of an inner shadow within my letters. Once they're shifted, you'll just need to erase the excess lines that go beyond the bounds of your letters. Last but not least, the animation. So as you can see, I've basically created the individual frames of the animation, each with the clouds in a different position. I also have an animation video that I'll link to in the description box below if you'd like more detail on this process. So basically, I've just duplicated and shifted the clouds a little bit in each frame as I go along. Using Animation Assist, you can play back your frames like an animation and export it as an MP4 or a looping GIF animation. And just like that, you're ready for your vacation. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a like, leave a comment with any questions, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for weekly videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.